Morning everyone, it's Tom over at Gas, and today we thought we'd do you a short video of day-to-day running of our garage. So it's first thing in the morning. Already we've got a Volkswagen Caddy van in. Customer dropped that off last night. Vehicle in limp mode, I believe, EML on. We got Mercedes in for some brakes. I picked that up this morning on the way to work. So yeah, we'll go in. Turn the lights on and get opened up. Turn the lights on in the workshop. So we've got Mercedes ML. This was in yesterday for some new brakes. We've had new discs and pads fit all the way around. We got BMW from yesterday. That's in for an exhaust repair. As you can see, the flexi pipes snapped. We're just waiting for the repair piece from BMW today. Got Mini Cooper in for an engine swap. Got new John Cooper Works engine to go in, which we started stripping down yesterday. The engine's bare, so I'm going to swap all the manifolds etc. over. Got a Ferrari 348 still in, that's having some suspension work. So yeah, I've got Ford Transit coming in today for a tow bar. Got an MOT. Got a Mercedes van coming in for some brakes, I believe. So yeah, I'll do a little video throughout the day and just give you all an insight of what goes on. So I better start by opening up the garage doors and getting the workshop ready. So that's everything in and out of the workshop, ready for the day. So the Mercedes, I'll get on that first thing. The repair piece for the exhaust is coming later on today. I've got an MOT to go out and do it at 9 o'clock. The van brakes, they should turn up around 8, and the tow bar's dropping off around 8:30, 9. So busy day. So I'll just go do a little bit of invoicing, turn the computers on in the office. And then yeah, get back out here, do the brakes. So yeah, we'll keep you updated. So that's the first job done. Brake pads on the Mercedes. Genuine brake pads. Genuine brake pad grease. So yeah, both sides done. That's all the vehicles booked in for today. So we'll get the wheels on and we'll get the next one in. So we just dropped the Mercedes off, just done an MOT, come back to the yard, to the unit. We've got Sprinter ran in for brakes and a Transit in for its tow bar. So we'll crack on. Just about fits in the unit. If the BMW wasn't there, we could have pulled it in, but we can work with that. We'll jack it up there, front and rear pads. So we'll jack them up and do them now. So that's the van brakes done. It's the front brake pads worn down to the wear indicator. Rears were worn down to 4mm remaining. So we've replaced them while it's in with us today. So yeah, it's just before midday, so it's going alright. What we'll do is we'll get the van out, we'll give the workshop floor a good clean, and then we'll get the trans in for the tow bar. So that's it, the end of the day. Got the transit tow bar all on. We've got the exhaust for the BMW, flexi part welded on ready. Just ran out of time in the end to get it on the car, but we had a few bits of paperwork to sort out in the afternoon. But yeah, the van's done. So just BMW to do in the morning now. Then we'll have a look at the Volkswagen tomorrow. So yeah, that's it. Insight of the day in the workshop and what goes on and process. Yeah, I hope you all enjoyed it. And if you like the video, we'll probably do some more and probably look into doing like a weekly video, highlights of the week, day by day. But yeah, what do you guys think? Let us know. So yeah, hope you all enjoyed it anyway. And don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll keep posting some more videos up. Thank you.